Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to reset the settings in the Journey Plan application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the settings button. And for example, if you want to reset the settings of the footwork options section, just click on this settings icon at the next to the footwork options section. And then if you want to reset the settings, just click on the OK button, and then the settings will go back to the default state. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.